Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. I love this sweater. I love the color. It's so soft and cozy. It's like perfect for the season. If you guys are wondering where I got this from, I got it from Loft, maybe like last year. Anyways, this video is not about the sweater. This video is about two hair tools. So if you guys haven't watched my video where I test out for the very first time the new Calista Zen Waver, which is this beauty right here. It even matches with my sweater. How freaking gorgeous. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it down below. You can see there kind of like my first impressions using this for the very first time and how I use it. This takes a little bit to get used to. This isn't too user-friendly. I mean, it is, but you just gotta get the hang of it. You gotta practice a lot, because if you don't have patience and if you're like, oh, it's not curling right, then you're gonna think that this doesn't work and that it doesn't curl your hair very well, but it does. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use it, but I'm gonna compare this to a very similar one, the Chi Spin and Curl. Look at the difference in size. Like, this is humongous. This looks like a monster next to this one. It's insane. Look at the size. It's so big. So the price is $109 for both of these, which I thought was crazy that these two are so similar that even the price is the same. I will say this one did come out before the Calista one, but they are kind of different in their own way. So I'm going to show you guys right now how I do my hair with these tools. So I'm going to turn these on and start to warm them up. I will say this one takes a lot longer to warm up than this one. This one takes about 40 seconds. I actually timed it yesterday. This one can take from 1 to 4 minutes, which is kind of like, really, 4 minutes? That's a lot. I may be a little bit impatient. I don't know. I mean, 4 minutes isn't too much, but some tools warm up in 10 seconds. So 4 minutes is kind of like stretching it. So these are both warming up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna do the exact heat setting with both of them. So I just kind of wanted to put my hair back so that you guys can see the curl a lot better with the white background instead of my hair as the background, because sometimes it's a little bit hard to see the hair. Yeah, so as you can see, this one's already warmed up and this one is still blinking, so it's still warming up. So let's see how much longer I have to wait. So since this one is still warming up, I guess I'm gonna start with the Chi side, just so I can show you guys kind of how this creates a curl. So I'm going to place the hair kind of just like anywhere. The cool thing about this tool is that it kind of knows where to place your hair, where to rotate your hair so that it comes out really nice and it doesn't get tangled. So I'm just going to kind of just place the hair, and as you can see, this says this side towards head, so that means that you got to keep this side towards your head. And I really like that, because that way you are always reminded, you know, how to use this or how to place it. So guys, this is still warming up. This takes so long to warm up. That's insane. So I'm going to place the hair and click the button. So it stops spinning, but it's still curling the hair. If you want a more tight curl, then you can always just click the button again. I'm just gonna keep spinning. I just like to do it one time though, and then I just wait for the beep. So let's wait for that. So right now I'm not clicking any buttons or anything, I'm just waiting for the beep. There you go. So let's see. Ooh, so I clicked the wrong button because it is towards my face. So I guess next time I'm gonna have to click this one. I thought this was away. Oh no, this is towards. Oh my god, I completely did that wrong. Okay, but as you can see, it's a pretty nice curl. It is towards the face, so I'm gonna fix it and use the other button, which would be the one on the left, so I can fix that. But there's one curl. It's still nice though, but I do want it away from the face. So now I'm going to do this side. What you have to do is that if you're gonna curl the right side of your hair, you have to click the opposite button, which would be the left, the L right here, the left button. And you have to place your hair on the left side. So like that. So left side and left button on the right side of your hair. So I hope that makes sense. You gotta get used to it. It takes a little bit of taking used to, but it does leave a really, really nice curl. So let me show you guys. So this one, you always press the button and it's always gonna rotate, and then I just wait for the beep, and this one is way quicker. And so there you go. So that is a very, very nice curl. So this is the Calista side, and then this is the cheese side. I think both look exactly the same. So I'm gonna do this one again because you guys know I kind of messed up and did the wrong button. But let's see if it's able to still curl the hair just as fine. So I'm gonna click the left button, the one that's going away from the face. I clicked the one towards the face, but it still created a very, very nice curl. It stopped rotating, but it's still curling the hair. So I just gotta wait for the beep. This one takes a lot longer, maybe twice the time. So if you're looking for something that's gonna be quicker, maybe go with this. That's very nice. See, now it's away from the face. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to curl each side, and I'm going to time each side to see which one takes longer. I already know that this one takes a little bit longer. So I'm going to start with the Calista side, which is this side right here. I'm gonna curl the entire side, and then I am going to do the chi and compare the two. Okay, so I'm gonna start the timer right now, and let's start curling the hair. So this is my right side, so I'm going to place it on the left side and use the left button. Okay, there's another curl. Very fast and very easy. That one got a little bit tangled, but it still curled it a little bit. I'm gonna go back to that one and I'm gonna continue. Try to not move the hair tool too much. Try to leave it very, very still, because if not, you will kind of tangle your hair a little bit. So just try to not move it too much. It's a very pretty one. Guys, let me know in the comments down below what type of video you want to see next. I just ordered this really insane hair tool that I'm going to try out here in my channel. So stay tuned and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I upload that video. I'm not going to tell you guys right now which hair tool I got, but it's a very, very good one, a very popular one that I actually have not tried here in my channel. So stay tuned because I am just so excited for that video. Okay, so here's the Calista side. Very bouncy, very soft curls. I really, really like how this gave my hair a little bit of a wave. So you guys won't believe that this side only took me 7 minutes to do. So now let's do this side, and I'm gonna time it as well. I'm going to place the hair. This spins like a lot faster, and the cool thing about this one is that you can continue to spin it even more, and you can leave it on for way longer, so it can give you a tighter curl. So I'm gonna spin it again. I'm just gonna wait for the beep, so just gotta wait. Let's see. There you go. And so there you have it. Look at that. That's such a tight curl. I'm gonna do this one again because since I had to do it twice, it probably didn't curl as well. I'm gonna rotate it again. And I'm gonna wait for the beep. Okay. And there you have it. You see, that's a lot tighter. That's a lot tighter than the first curl. So as you can see, this looks a little bit tighter than this side. So let me continue with this side because I am timing this side to see how long it's going to take me. What I like about the Chi one is that you can kind of just place the hair wherever and it's going to move the hair for you. You don't got to worry about placing it on the left side or the right side or whatever. You can kind of just place it. So that's why I say that this one's a little bit more user friendly, because you can kind of get more used to it and kind of learn how to use it quicker, in my opinion, because I've only used this like one other time, and then the Calista one I've used like 3 other times. So I kind of know how to use this already, and I learned how to use it right away the very first time. So look at that. That's so bouncy. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, this takes way longer to beep. It's like double the time. But it leaves a really, really nice tight curl. I'm going to take a bigger section. I do feel like with this one you can take bigger sections than with the Calista one, because it is a little bit bigger, so it kind of allows you to get a little bit bigger sections. Don't take too big of a section because then your hair can get tangled. But so far so good. Okay, so I am done with the Chi side. As you can see, it looks very bouncy, very tight curls. And I feel like you can do a lot with this type of curl. You can kind of loosen it up a little bit, or you can leave it like this if you want. So that's a big plus for me, because I feel like tighter curls do last longer throughout the day. So I like that about the Chi one. And it took me 10 minutes to do this side, which is still pretty fast in my opinion with the wands and with my straightener. It takes me longer than that, and I don't get this nice of a curl. So it did take me a little bit longer than the Calista side, but this side the curls are a lot more tight and I feel like even more defined. On the Calista side you can see that this gives you more of a wave. I mean, this is called the Zen Waver, so you're gonna get waves with this tool. With this tool, the spin and curl, you're gonna get more of a tight curl. So as you can see, even this side looks a little bit longer than this side because the curls on this side are more tight. So it really depends on what you prefer. Do you want more of a looser curl like this, or do you want more of a tighter curl like this? I kind of like a little bit more of a tight curl like this because I can do more with it. I can leave it like this, like super tight, or I can loosen it up with my fingers, with a brush even, and make it more like a looser wave. This pulled my hair maybe like 2 times and it automatically shut off like 2 times. So just be very careful. Take small sections with this one. With this one you are able to get kind of like bigger sections and it will be able to like handle it more than with this one. So now I'm gonna run my fingers through my hair just to show you guys what it looks like. So this is the Calista side and I'm gonna do the Chi side. Here you go. I'm just gonna use my brush to show you guys how you can get more of a Hollywood wave. So you brush your hair and look at that. That's insane. I feel like that really transforms the hairstyle and it gives you more of a Hollywood wave. So as you can see, looks very healthy, very bouncy, and very shiny. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the Chi side. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Wow. Look at that. Oh my god. That's awesome. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Yeah, I really, really like that. So as you can see, this is more loose, and then this is a little bit, has more of a wave. This is more kind of like a loose blowout kind of situation. So guys, let me know in the comments down below which side you like better. Did you like the Calista side better, which is this side, or did you like the cheese side better, which is this side? I will link it down below all the products mentioned in this video if you guys want to purchase anything. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in anything else. I know you guys love the hair videos and I can keep bringing those to you, but let me know maybe what type of hair videos you want to watch, maybe what type of tools you want me to test out. Let me know in the comments down below. I always read your comments and you guys just give me the best video ideas ever, so make sure that you comment. Don't forget to do that before you leave this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. If you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.